You're gonna get fucking shit, dude! Hey! You're gonna get fucking shit! The ground! Get on the fucking ground! Get on the fucking, don't fucking move! Sir. Don't fucking move! Ah, bro, move up! Move forward!
Lathrop, California. A man named John, 2 women, and a call that said he tried to kill someone the night before. Officers arrived and found the women in the driveway. They tried to speak with him. He got in his car and backed out.
The location of your emergency?
I'm actually calling for a friend. I'm down the street from her house. She lives on Shady Wood. Her and her daughter are there. They're in danger. This guy, he's threatening to kill her. He almost did try to kill her last night, she said, and I'm just really worried, and I don't know what to do.
I'm going to let my officers know and have them head out there to...
Why are you guys running from John?
Psychotic. He needs help.
Here, come back here.
He tried to kill me last night.
Here, come back here. Let's talk to this guy. Hey, does John have any weapons right now?
Well, yeah, there's probably knives and stuff in the house.
Does John carry a gun? Hey, John. What's going on right now?
He will fight back. Be careful.
Hey, Tino, stop that car if he takes off.
Wait, 13, clear copy 20.
Wait, 13, clear copy 20.
Good.
Wait, 13, we have one taken off. 20 is going to be 8, David, William, 589, gold colored Nissan Versa.
589, it's a gold colored Nissan Versa. It's going to be the male half.
What's the DOT?
We are going...
Copy, southbound Jasper.
Sheriff 2121.
John, turn the fucking car off! Turn the fucking car off now! Hey, Tino, I'm gonna get your 40. Turn the fucking car off now!
Freeway 13, CMC wants to know what the want is.
Hey, where's your 40, dude?
Boy, 13, we're trying to figure it out right now.
Turn your car off.
There's a verbal
Turn your
15
car
between
off.
the X and the male half.
Turn the fucking car off now!
The male's extremely uncooperative.
They approached again, this time with weapons drawn. He looked at the guns, and he drove away again. In California, fleeing from officers in a vehicle is felony evasion, up to 3 years. That was before the chase even started. The pursuit moved through residential streets westbound, northbound, southbound. Officers called out every turn.
Boy, 13, we're taking off again. We're going westbound on Shady Wood.
Copy, westbound Shadywood.
Northbound Havenwood.
Said you tried to
choke him last night, and we're going to be going westbound on Castlewood, speeds 15.
westbound Stonebridge, no 15 traffic, loading dry clear.
Pull over!
Copy, westbound Stonebridge.
230.1 is going to be 273.5 and possible 245. From Stonebridge, speed 25 miles an hour.
118, let's check with the SO, see if they have any units.
Copy, continuing northbound on Harlan.
Okay, we're going to be passing here downtown. And stand by for the next turn. We're going to go on Rock. And he's going the wrong way for a second here.
Copy westbound Rock, and we have fugitive units at 121.
Just tried to 245 boy 13 with this vehicle.
Copy, southbound I-5 for Rock.
Hey, for him, we'll take whatever agency can assist.
Yeah, it looks like his vehicle partially disabled the alignment. We're going to be continuing southbound 5.
Looks like we're passing Lathrop now, so we're heading
On the interstate.
Boy 13, his tire's coming apart.
Copy, tire coming apart.
Yeah, keep bailing.
across towards the median, trying to carjack somebody.
I copy. He's booked in a lane and there's units covering one for the DOT.
He's trying to carjack a victim vehicle, holding on.
Be trying to carjack the victim vehicle. What's the description?
Hey, you're gonna get fucking shit, dude! Hey, you're gonna get fucking shit! Ground! Get on the fucking ground! Don't fucking move! Sir. Don't fucking move! Ah, bro, I just move up, move forward!
Yes, sir.
EMS code 3, I-5 south, just south of,
Woo!
yeah, I'm gonna get the iPad. Yeah. You got gloves? I got small ones. Ready to breathe, brother. You alright? Hey, are you okay?
I just got my car fixed, bro.
Hey, it's okay. Hey, do me a favor, just stay right here. We'll take care of you.
I can't breathe, man. I can't breathe. We got help coming.
Yeah, I shot him.
13,
I shot
confirming
him.
their clearance.
Shots fired? One to two rounds. This direction. Nobody outstanding. Nobody outstanding.
Anybody else?
Lathrop, we have one in cuffs, rendering aid. Scene is secure.
Then the chase moved onto Interstate 5. At freeway speed, one of the Nissan's tires came apart. The car was disabled. Most people stop at that point. Valdez got out of the car and ran toward a stranger's vehicle. There was an uninvolved motorist in that car. On a live freeway, officers were behind Valdez with weapons out. Under Graham versus Connor, 490, U.S. 386. 1989 officers are evaluated on the totality of facts known at the moment of the decision, not in hindsight. What they knew: active domestic violence suspect, 2 prior flights, a carjack attempt in progress, en parole, 1 in cuffs, rendering aid, scene secure, 3 radio calls, 9 words. That was the end of the sequence Valdez started on Shadywood Avenue. The man he tried to carjack was uninjured. He told officers he had just gotten his car fixed.
Where you gonna hit at?
Hey, come on, don't you?
Lay down. No, I can't. Scissors? Give me scissors.
Yeah. 436 southbound. I-5 just out the buoys and I am showing all units there.
Like they're along the entrance.
119 logged in name Juan Valdez. We'll work on a DOB.
That's because you got long sleeves, bro. Couldn't see that one.
You're okay, right?
Yeah, I'm fine. I mean, yeah, I'm fine.
What was he trying? He was trying to carjack you.
Yeah, he was trying to carjack my shit.
Okay.
My door's locked.
No, not the Visa.
Oh, shit. No problem.
Only American Express, buddy.
I hear you. Here you go.
Yeah, good. 19, you good? Is he going back?
Is it control? So as soon as we get things,
Yep.
we don't need the tourniquet. I need to get to the hospital. We're gonna get you. Got the ambulance coming, man. Okay. You got any medical problems? Relax. Slow your breathing down.
Hell yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, my friend.
Talk.
thing towed?
I think you can still drive. You can still drive. He pulled over.
They're on him. He's hooked to the bed.
I'm going to the hospital.
There's a big picture to this. I'm leaving everything where it's at.
Everything stays.
Yes.
Yeah, we're not touching
there. We're not touching anything. Photographs. He's being transported. We got to figure out. Nate.
Carlos knows it's going. Yeah. Okay.
If you want,
Hey,
I
you know
can
what?
take him back to the PD.
Let me give you the phone real quick.
Juan Valdez was booked into San Joaquin County Jail. Charges: carjacking, false imprisonment, felony evasion, resisting arrest, and committing a felony while on parole. That last charge matters. Under California Penal Code, Section 3056, a new felony while on parole reactivates the prior sentence separately. Both run independently. The officers get an A. They arrived with credible threat information. Attempted strangulation the night before. They tried twice to engage without force. When the foot pursuit began on a live freeway carjack attempt in progress, Graham versus Connor supported every decision they made. Every step holds up. Valdez gets an F. Guns pointed at him twice. He drove away both times. Then a blown tire, a foot bail, and a stranger's car on the freeway. Carjacking in California carries up to 9 years. Parole enhancement adds the prior sentence on top. He handed prosecutors a clean case. 3 decisions made this outcome unavoidable. He left before officers could talk. He refused a lawful command with weapons drawn. And on the freeway, he ran toward a civilian instead of the ground. The right to remain in your vehicle exists. The right to ignore officers with loaded weapons pointed at you does not. If you want more body cam footage, the moments suspects don't expect to end up on camera, hit subscribe. We post every week. Drop a comment. Do you think the officers made the right call at the freeway? We'll see you in the next one.